I think what we've seen this year is that geopolitics really hasn't impacted the market as much as we had expected. For example, looking at the Israel-Gaza war and the other shocks that we've seen throughout the year, we've seen limited impact in the markets in the direction. And looking at US more specifically, it continues to be one of the stronger markets and also a really attractive investment destination. So I caution to think that this is really going to make any changes to the markets at the moment.
Yeah, because the market is so obsessed with actually rate cuts, and they're pricing in like 4. Here in the UK, they're pricing in more after that inflation shock. Is the market right in pricing so many cuts, or is it still all to play?
I think that there's a certain element of that is warranted, and I think the consistent theme has been that inflation is falling, and that is really what the market's been looking at when it's been rallying off the back of some of the weaker data that we've seen come out, and also the inflation numbers moving in that deflationary direction. So I think the market is right to be pricing in some of those rate cuts. I guess the question now is the extent to which we see those rate cuts and how many come. But I definitely think that we're going to see those going into 2024.